take this microphone and tell me why you're not listening to your skin. Tell me, why are you not listening to your skin? Today, you will use azelaic acid. Tomorrow, retinol. Next tomorrow, glycolic acid. The other day, sulfur product. Next tomorrow, clinker. The other day, you use benzoyl peroxide. Another day, you are using vitamin C serum. Tell me, why don't you want to stick to one product? See, in this video, I'm going to give you a simple, affordable skincare routine that you can stick to. Stick to it for a month or two and come back and give me reviews. A simple face wash, especially if your skin is going through a lot, my sister. All you need is a simple face wash. Look at. Exactly. You see, simple, refreshing facial wash. That's what you need to wash your face, clean your face. You can go in twice. Spend at least 1 to 3 minutes scrubbing the foam into your face. Rinse it off. Go with it again. Rinse your face, and rinse your face. Simple product. I want to go straight to a hyaluronic acid serum. But some of you, if your product is not 10 steps product, you don't like it. Your routine is not a 10-step product, you don't like it. So because of you, take this ceramide. Focus. Exactly. This face fact ceramide. You buy it, 5,000 naira. Add it to your simple is 8,000 naira. Abi, you are going good. Now in the night, if you must add an active ingredient, if you must add an active to your skincare routine and you swear that, Kai, Mercy, I must have an active ingredient in my routine for me to feel better, we are take. Focus. Use these face facts and stick to it for at least 2 months. This face fact lactic acid serum. Are you seeing it? Beautiful. Stick to it. Now you have 3 products: a cleanser, a barrier repair, and an exfoliating product. Great. Now, maybe some of you will say, I must use a toner. Mercy, give me a toner. You can use this toner. This is on the high side, but you can look for an affordable, gentle toner and add to your skincare routine if you must use a toner. But you can do without it, in my opinion. Then you need a moisturizer. Use any one that you know is good for you. This one is like 6,000 or 5,000 naira. Let me focus so that you see it. Dr. Rachel moisturizer. Add it to your skincare routine. If you want to have a high-end moisturizer, that's also fine. But stick to the basics. Stick to the basics and allow your skin to repair itself before you start going to deal with it by adding all those tranexamic acid, retinol, butanol. I don't know what you are doing. Basic products first. Allow your skin to breathe. Then you can go to those high levels. Okay? Great. Now, sunscreen. You must not use this one, but look for a good sunscreen. This is a good sunscreen. Nivea is also a good sunscreen. I don't have it here, so I can't show you now, but use a sunscreen. Allow your skin to heal before doing any other thing. This one is like 13,000 naira. So by the time you go in like this, first you wash your face with a simple product. Those of you that like toners, you go in with a toner. After your toner, you can go in with your ceramide serum or a hyaluronic acid serum. I don't have anyone to show you people today, but at least you are following. After your hyaluronic acid serum, then you will go in with your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. That's your morning routine. In the night, we reverse. Cleanser. Good. After your cleanser, you girls that like toner and you must use toner, use your toner. After your toner, you use your lactic acid serum. After after you use your lactic acid serum, seal it up with a moisturizer and go on your way. Go to bed. Don't use sunscreen in the night. Some of you are coming to ask me for nights. Can you use sunscreen in the night? Is there sun in the night? Don't use sunscreen in the night. I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but for those of you that have sensitive skin, this is my recommendation. Simple things. 1, where is that ceramide? 2, 3, moisturizer, right? 4. Stick to these ones. Stick to this and you'll be fine. I promise you, especially for your face care. Stick to these things and you'll be fine. Okay? Okay. Bye.